Good morning, team. Today, I'm excited to introduce our new uniform. This new design is not just a change in appearance, but a significant step towards enhancing our professionalism and patient comfort.
What are the key features of the new uniform, MIHIRAA?
The new uniform is designed to be both functional and stylish. It's made of breathable, moisture-wicking fabric to keep you comfortable during long shifts. The pockets are strategically placed for easy access to essential items like pens, stethoscopes, and mobile phones.
Will the new uniform be more durable and easier to maintain?
Absolutely. The fabric is durable and stain-resistant, making it easier to clean and maintain. The new design also incorporates antimicrobial properties to reduce the risk of infection.
How does the new uniform contribute to patient safety?
The new uniform is designed to be easily identifiable, which can help patients recognize healthcare professionals. It also promotes a professional image and builds trust with patients and their families. When will we start wearing the new uniforms, MIHIRAA? We'll transition to the new uniforms gradually over the next few months. In the meantime, please continue to wear the current uniforms until further notice.
Mihira, I want to explain that the reason for this visit is to carefully check how your body is coping right now. We're taking routine clinical observations such as your temperature, blood pressure, heart rate, breathing rate, and oxygen levels. These measurements give us a clear picture of how well your body systems are working together and whether there are any early signs that something needs attention. Right now, close monitoring is important because even small changes can tell us a lot. For example, tracking your breathing and oxygen saturation helps us make sure your lungs are getting enough oxygen and that you're not working too hard to breathe. Keeping an eye on your blood pressure and heart rate lets us see how well your heart and circulation are supporting the rest of your body. Mihira, monitoring your temperature helps us detect infection or inflammation early before it becomes more serious. None of this is meant to alarm you. It's about being cautious and caring, making sure we catch any changes early and support your body while it stabilizes. You're not alone in this, and we'll keep explaining what we're doing and why, every step of the way.